Now, why don't they utilize it? Well, it's because no one is screaming from the rooftops that you have it. If it's free, it's for me. I can't tell you how many consumers, even at Nielsen, and shame on us, don't know, one, that they have their first complimentary, oil change or service, or two, don't utilize it. Okay? Now, why don't they utilize it? Well, it's because no one is screaming from the rooftops that you have it. If it's free, it's for me. Now, if I was talking to these people in the methods that we are talking about here, where I'm texting a service customer saying, by the way, our records indicate that you're due for your first oil change or you're due for your first service, and it's complimentary here at Nielsen, here's a link to our service scheduler where we can get you into the shop. And because we're texting, we'll give you priority, blah, 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 whatever it might be. That's pretty intriguing. Now, that's a very good message that you can leverage. Take it. Take it for your stores. Take it for your dealerships. See how many ways you can honestly slice and dice all the data you have. But the biggest thing is enabling it or making it actionable through text message and email. Above and beyond the outreach that your sales and management teams are doing, above and beyond any other audience nurturing tools or drip email marketing you might have, this is key. This is going to continue to be key moving forward in 2025 and beyond.
Learn more about the DEP webinar series at dealereprocess.com/webinars.